Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi ji, Honorable Education Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal ji, Minister of State Sanjay Dhotre ji, Vice Chancellor Vidhu Chakrabarti ji, members of the faculty, members of the staff of Vishwa Bharati, students, ladies and gentlemen. It is a great privilege and honor to be associated with the 2021 convocation of Vishwa Bharati University. The occasion is all the more significant and joyous since it is in the centenary year of Vishwa Bharati. Convocation is an important milestone marking end of one vital phase in life of a student and beginning of another very significant productive phase. My heartiest congratulations to all graduating students who have benefited out of their degrees today. Friends, undoubtedly, education has great power for social rejuvenation and transformation. It is the most effective method and mode of lasting change. Let us recall on this day our past. Ancient Indian universities, Takshila, Nalanda, Vikramshila, had dominated the world of higher education for 1800 years, beginning from 6th century BC. That ancient system, which had many elements of modernity, produced great scholars, and to name few, Charak, Aryabhat, Chanakya, Panini, Patanjali, Gargi. They made historic, invaluable contributions to medical science, mathematics, astronomy, grammar, and social development. It is gratifying and honor for all of us that much awaited focus on education has been laid by our Honorable Prime Minister to usher in a new India. One of the many monumental contributions of Prime Minister Modi ji is the new education policy. It will gallop our journey to becoming Vishwa Guru. Thanks to far-sightedness and vision of Honorable Prime Minister, the national education policy is turning out to be game changer in much-needed education reforms to create vibrant knowledge society, ensuring higher quality of education to all, making India global knowledge superpower. 6 years of deliberations, hard work, involvement with all the stakeholders, very healthy involved debate, without bias, without discrimination, is the hallmark of this policy that has found widest acceptability. The policy echoes our national values, national ethos, and national goals. I find it satisfying that the policy also has what was capsuled by Rabindranath Tagore. Tagore used to say, quote, "The highest education is that which not only informs us, but brings out life in harmony with all existence," unquote. Thanks to our Prime Minister, we are in the process of executing it. We are now rightly moving from what to think on how to think approach in education that was needed for a long time. The effort now is inquiry-based, discovery-based, discussion-based, analysis-based methods to children. This will urge in children to learn, innovate, and create. Let us resolve on this day to live up to the expectations of the founder of this university, Kavi Guru, and let our mind be without fear. Let our head be always high. Very aptly, Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore capsuled the entire thought process of Vishwa Bharati when he reflected, I quote, Vishwa Bharati represents India where she has her wealth of mind, which is for all. Vishwa Bharati acknowledges India's obligation to offer to others the hospitality of our best culture and India's right to accept from others their best, unquote. Friends, thanks to the leadership we have, the world has come to know about it through vaccination. The world was passing through greatest challenge and India was lending helping hand to the needy outside our borders. During 100-year journey, it has become apparent that Shanti Niketan is Punya Bhumi of love, of fellow feeling, of empathy, with love for motherland, mother nature, and the universe. To the students who are graduating today, I can say one thing. India is changing. India is on incremental trajectory. You are going into a world teeming with opportunities. You have to play on front foot with the state bat, and the world will be for you to contribute. All of you have been fortunate and experienced to get education at this iconic place. Not everyone is so privileged. As you leave this campus, carry your learning with humility. And in some manner, in whatever manner you think appropriate, make earnest effort, sincere effort to give back to the society. And that will be a huge contribution, a big step for one. Let that be true test of your education. In the words of Aristotle, I quote, excellence is never an accident. It is always the result of higher intention, sincere effort, and intelligent execution. It represents the wise choice of many alternatives. Choice, not chance, determines your destiny, unquote. I would conclude, as like many of you, I am also looking forward to hear from our Prime Minister, whose discourses always touch our mind and heart, motivate us, inspire us, and we are put on a directional path. Gandhiji said, quote, be the change you wish to see in this world, unquote. So I say to you all, lead the world, be the change, make India proud, and India is on the rise in the estimate of one and all. Thank you. Jai Hind. Namaskar.
धन्यवाद मान्यवर। अब मैं माननीय उपाचार्य महोदय से निवेदन करूंगी कि वे